Hello children, welcome to the science online class microorganisms part 2. Okay, already we have seen the uploaded the microorganism part 1. This is the part 2 of the same lesson. Okay, the next topic is microorganisms and us. Okay, in the last video what we have seen there are many tiny organisms, very small, that is microorganisms in our world around us. Okay, and they are classified into 4 major groups. What are they? Bacteria, fungi, protozoa and algae. And virus is the different group from other microorganisms. And also we have seen what are the diseases caused by these microorganisms, and we have seen already the images of images of microorganisms in the last video. Now we are moving to the topic microorganisms and us. Okay, first we are going to see about the friendly microorganisms. These microorganisms are helpful to us, to human beings in many ways. Okay, first of all they are used in preparation of curd. Okay, curd we will use it to eat, isn't it? How the curd will formed ma? You may see in your house your mummy will she wants to make the curd, means she will drop a little bit curd to the warm milk, and the next day it will turn, the whole milk will turns into the curd. Okay, to turn the milk into curd, they have and there may be some bacteria. We are using some bacteria. Okay, we will see fully in the next slide. First they are used in preparation of curd, bread, cake. Okay, without these microorganisms, and these products won't obtained. Okay, and it also helpful for cleaning up of environment, because some dead animals, dead plants are decayed, isn't it? They will broken into smaller substances by these microorganisms only. Okay, then only the dead animals or some dead organisms decomposed. Okay, so they are used to cleaning up of environment, and they are used for preparing medicines. Okay, many of the microorganisms are used in the preparation of medicines also, and they are used to increase soil fertility by fixing nitrogen. Okay, in the last lesson, in the last class we will you have learnt about the fixing nitrogen, isn't it? For that also we need some microorganisms. Okay, so these are the useful things from these microorganisms to us. Next is the making of curd and bread. Okay, I have said already that milk is turned into curd by some bacteria. Okay, by some bacteria. That bacteria which turns milk into curd is Bacterium lactobacillus. Okay, this bacteria is helped to turn the milk into the curd. Okay, it is the good thing. Okay, useful thing from the bacteria, and also it is used in the making of cheese, pickles and many other food items. Okay, and very important thing, you may see if your mummy prepare the batter for idli or dosa, in yesterday she will put some salt and mix the batter well with her hand, isn't it? So next day it will ready to use, the batter will ready to use. Okay, because in our hand many microorganisms are there in our hand, and these some bacteria are there. They will use it. They will turn the butter ready to use. Okay. And also it is a process of fermentation. Okay, it is a process of fermentation. Yesterday our mummy will mix the batter. Next morning you can see. Okay, before she using it, you can see the level, that is the quantity of the batter will be increased. Okay, this is because of the action of fermentation. Okay. Next is the bacteria and yeast, and they are used in the fermentation of rice, idli or and dosa batter. Okay, bacteria and also yeast is used to this process of fermentation. Okay, next one, yeast making breads and cakes. Yeast is very much used in the bakery shop, which is used to making breads and cakes. Okay. Okay. For to clear this concept, they have given an activity in book, page number 20. Okay, we have to take a half kg flour, that is atta, wheat atta or maida, and add some sugar and mix with warm water. And we have to add a small amount of yeast powder, and need to make a soft dough. We have to make the flour into soft dough. In the after 2 hours you can see the dough is rising. Okay, so for this rising we are using the yeast. Because of the yeast only this process is happening. What is the actual concept is, yeast reproduces rapidly and produces carbon dioxide during respiration continuously. Rapidly means very fast. Okay, rapidly the yeast produces carbon dioxide, reproduce and carbon dioxide during respiration. Okay, when it respirates, the carbon dioxide, it reveals out carbon dioxide more. Okay, so the bubbles of the gas fill the duff and increase its volume. Okay, so continuously carbon dioxide is coming out means that bubbles of gas fill the duff and increase the volume of the duff. Okay, this is the basis of all things we are using to bake a cake, because all in the case we are using the batter means the batter will first at a level, and after some times it will become rising. So this is the actual thing what is happening. Okay, children. Okay, for this rising we are using the bacteria and yeast. Okay, the next one, commercial use of microorganisms. Okay, microorganisms are used for the large scale production of alcohol, wine, vinegar. Okay, children. For this purpose, yeast is grown on natural sugars present in grains like barley, wheat, rice, crushed fruit juices, etc. So they are first making the producing the yeast. Okay, they will grow the yeast on the natural sugars present in grains. Okay, what are the grains? Like barley, wheat, rice, crushed fruit juice. Okay, they will grow the yeast and they will use the yeast to prepare alcohol, wine, vinegar. Okay. Okay, remember one thing, all are these items having some sour taste, isn't it? For that only because of using this yeast, the taste will sour. Okay. Okay, and they have given another activity, activity 2.4, page number 20. Take a 500 milliliter beaker filled up to 3/4 with water. Dissolve 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar in it. Add half a spoon of yeast powder to the sugar solution. Keep it covered in a warm place for 4 to 5 hours. Now smell the solution. Can you get get a smell. Okay, we have to take a 500 milliliter 500 milliliter beaker with 3/4 of water, and we have to add 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar and also half a teaspoon of yeast powder to the sugar solution. You have to kept this solution in a warm place, okay, in a warm place about 4 to 5 hours. Okay, after the time, go and check the solution. It will have some smell. Okay, it will have some different smell. Okay, this is the smell of alcohol, as sugar has been converted into alcohol by yeast. Okay, we kept as the sugar solution because because of adding the yeast to that solution, the sugar solution will turns into alcohol, so only we can get a smell. Okay, so this process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is called fermentation. Conversion of sugar into alcohol is called as fermentation. Okay, children. Okay, the next one, medicinal use of microorganisms. Okay, nowadays it is very useful in the medical field. Okay, you will know that scientists are trying to find the vaccine for corona now. Okay, they will use this type of method, that is by the microorganism they are using. Okay, they are researching to make the vaccine. Okay. Okay, if you fall ill means you will go to the doctor, isn't it? The doctor will give, first of all they will give some antibiotic. It may be in tablet form or capsules or injections. Okay, such as penicillin. Okay, that antibiotics mainly contains penicillin. Okay, the source of this medicine is always the microorganisms. These medicines will kill or stop the growth of the disease causing microorganisms. Okay, it will, what is the antibiotic doing means, it will kill or stop the growth of microorganisms in our body. Okay, which are causing the disease. So these medicines are called the antibiotics. Antibiotics will kill or stop the growth of disease causing microorganisms. Okay, these days a number of antibiotics are being produced from bacteria and fungus. Okay, some examples are streptomycin, tetracycline and erythromycin. These are the some examples for antibiotics. Okay, so these are commonly known antibiotics which are made from fungi and bacteria. Okay, these are prepared from fungi and bacteria. Okay, the antibiotics are manufactured by growing specific microorganisms and are used to cure a variety of diseases. Okay, antibiotics are even mixed with the feed of livestock and poultry to check a microbial infection in animals. Okay, they are also used to control many plant diseases. Okay, they are used in the livestock of animals. Okay, and poultry. They will mix the antibiotics with the food of the animals. Okay, so it will use to find whether it is any microbial infection in animals or not. Okay, so and another important thing is, the doctor maybe prefer some antibiotics, but without the doctor's advice you cannot take any antibiotics. It is a very dangerous one, because your body will addict to the antibiotic. If you are continuously taking the antibiotic means your body will addict to that medicine, and if you need some, okay, whenever you need, you have to take antibiotics with the doctor's preference. But if you are taking in unnecessary times, the body will addict to the medicine, and if it is in need, okay, if we need the, if you suppose if you fall ill means at that time we are taking the antibiotics, it will less reactive, okay, less effective. So don't take antibiotics unnecessary, because it will kill the useful bacteria, useful microorganisms in our body. So don't take without the doctor's advice. Okay, next one is the vaccine. Vaccine means, okay, in your small time you will have some you will have many vaccines, isn't it? That vaccines are used to stop, okay, prevent several diseases that are affected by us, okay. So what is a vaccine is, if some microorganism enters our body, our body will produce antibodies, okay, to fight with those microbes or microorganisms, okay. Okay, the body also remembers how to fight the microbe if it enters again, okay. If it enters the first time means, our body will produce the antibodies, and our body will know how to fight with these microbes, okay. It will remember, okay. For in some other time we may fall ill, okay, ill again, the body in our antibodies will remember how to fight with the microbes, okay. So only one time the antibodies are produced in our body means, it will fight always with the microorganisms. So vaccines are used the base of this concept, okay. So we will prevent, okay, we will prevent some diseases which will affect our body, okay. It will also prevent the disease, because the vaccine has already some antibodies, okay. If a disease is coming by virus means, they will give the antibodies which will which will fight with the virus, okay. They will insert in our body. So if it is the virus is attacked our body, the antibodies will fight with that virus, okay. So by this method we can prevent many diseases, okay. Nowadays, already I have said in the first video, the government has given the polio drops, isn't it? Polio drops. So no child is affected by the polio for the last few years, okay. So only they have given continuously. So vaccine is used to fight with the that is microbes or microorganisms which are entered in our body, okay. We are preventing these diseases already, okay, children. So that nowadays scientists are struggled to find the vaccine for the corona disease, okay. They are using this antibodies system. In nowadays you can hear in the news, the plasma bank is started to process, isn't it? That plasma is already get from the already affected people by the corona, okay. By this basis they will get soon recovery, okay. So only they are using these techniques, okay, children. Okay, now we are going to watch a video. Watch the video very carefully, children.
Friendly microorganisms. We are surrounded by microorganisms everywhere. These microorganisms play important role in our lives. Some are beneficial, while others are harmful. In this video, we will talk about beneficial microorganisms. Making of curd. You might have seen that your mother added a little curd to warm milk, and the next day, milk gets converted to curd. It is because the lactobacillus bacteria present in curd multiply itself and promotes conversion of milk into curd. Similarly, curd is also added while preparing rava idlis and bhaturas because the lactobacillus bacteria multiply and during respiration releases carbon dioxide, which makes these items puffy and soft. Let's perform an activity to understand uses of microorganism. Commercial use of microorganisms. Yeast convert natural sugars present in grains like barley, wheat, rice, and crushed fruit juices into alcohol. The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is known as fermentation. Let's perform an activity to understand the use of yeast for production of alcohol. Medicinal use of microorganisms. When we fall ill, doctors give us medicines. These medicines kills disease-causing microorganisms. Therefore, these are called antibiotics. Anti suggests against and biotic suggest organisms. For example, streptomycin, tetracycline, erythromycin, penicillin, etc. Usually, these antibiotics are produced using bacteria and fungi. Vaccine. Whenever a disease-causing agent enters our body produces antibodies to fight against it. Our body also remembers how to fight against the intruder. During vaccination, dead or weakened microbes of disease-causing agents are introduced in healthy body so that the body produces antibodies, fight and kill the intruder and remember how to fight. Thus, the antibodies present in the body protect us from disease-causing microbes. Polio, cholera, tuberculosis, smallpox, and hepatitis can be prevented by vaccination. Increasing soil fertility. Some bacteria such as blue-green algae, rhizobium have ability to take nitrogen from atmosphere and enrich soil with nitrogen compounds, thereby increasing soil fertility. The process is called nitrogen fixation, and the microbes involved in this process are biological nitrogen fixers. Cleaning the environment. Microorganisms helps to decompose dead organic waste of plants and animals, thereby converting them into simple substances. These substances are useful for other plants and animals. Thus, microorganisms helps to degrade the harmful and smelly substances and hence clean up the environment. Let's understand the formation of manure with the help of following activity. This means microbes helps to clean environment. I hope you have understood this concept very well. Thank you for watching this video.
Okay, children. Believe that you are watching the video till to the last. Okay, read the topics which I have taught in the video. Okay, children. We will meet in the next video or in the direct class. Thank you, children.